Grounded 2 not installing on Xbox app, Microsoft Store, PC 1. Restart the Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Close both apps completely from Task Manager. Reopen Xbox app. Try installing Grounded 2 again. Shark 2. Check for Windows and Store updates. Outdated services cause install errors. Go to Settings, Windows Update, install all updates. Then open Microsoft Store, click Library, update gaming services and Xbox app. 3. Repair or reset our Xbox and Microsoft Store. 1. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Search for Xbox, Gaming Services, Microsoft Store. 3. Click Advanced Options. First try Repair. If that fails, click Reset. 4. Reinstall or reset gaming services, PowerShell fix. 1. Open PowerShell as admin. 2. Paste the following. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. After it opens Store, click Install. 4. Restart PC. #5. Sign out and sign back in. Sign out of Xbox app, Microsoft Store, and Windows account. Then sign back in using the same Microsoft Xbox account on all 3. 6. Change app install location storage fix. If the install is stuck or fails, 1. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Change new apps will save to another drive with enough space. 3. Restart Xbox app. Try again. 7. Enable Xbox services. Press WinR, type services.msc. Ensure these are running automatic. Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, Gaming Services, Microsoft Store, Install Service. Right-click each properties, set startup type automatic, service status running. 8. Use WSR reset command, clear Microsoft Store cache. 1. Press WinR, type WS reset. 2. Wait for the store to auto-reopen. Try installing again via Xbox app. 9. Try installing via Microsoft Store. Instead, if Xbox app fails, open Microsoft Store, search Grounded 2, try installing from there directly. Still not working? Optional last resorts. Create a new local admin account and try installation from there. Use SFC's ScanNow and DSM to repair Windows corruption. You can see the code in our conversation history. Reinstall Xbox app via PowerShell. You can see the code in our conversation history. Conclusion. This error usually results from broken Xbox services, cache, or account syncing issues. These steps resolve 95% of cases for Xbox app, Microsoft Store games not installing.